The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is an anticipated addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup, expected to launch in March 2026. This device is rumored to feature a 6.74-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, it's speculated to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring efficient performance for daily tasks and multitasking. The camera setup is expected to include a triple lens system, a 50MP wide-angle lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP sensor, providing versatile photography options. For selfies, a 16MP front-facing camera is anticipated. The device is likely to house a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging, ensuring extended usage with quick recharge times. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy A37 5G is expected to be priced at 34,990 Indian rupees in India.